Hello all, my name is Krishnak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this particular video we are going to discuss about my salary as a data scientist from starting of my career. Probably you have never seen this kind of video from any YouTuber guys, but I really wanted to make this particular video because in most of my videos people are actually asking me, Krish, what is your salary, what is your salary, what is your salary, what is your salary? And when I used to say, okay, this is my salary, they used to again not believe, Krish, okay, what, when did you start your career and how much was your salary initially? You also talk about that specific thing. So there's so many requests from the people. So again, this particular video is not a bragging video because anyhow you'll not find it as a bragging video. When you see my initial salary, it was very less. If you remember, yesterday I made a video about a successful career transition about a fresher who has successfully made a transition to data science. His package that was offered was somewhere around 12 lakhs per annum, and that was around 4 times more than my salary when I started as a fresher. So I'm just going to show you an Excel sheet. In that particular Excel sheet, you'll be having like in which company I was working, when did I join, and probably what was my salary when I joined, and then when I left that particular company, how much was my salary, did I had any passive income. So everything I'm actually going to discuss about it. Okay, so let's proceed without wasting time. And again guys, it is not a bragging video. Okay, it is just to motivate you, that saying that I also started from a level where my salary was just minimal. Then I got opportunities, I made switches, I got good opportunities, and then that is how my package actually increased. Okay, so let me just show you regarding that particular sheet. So here you go, this is the entire sheet of my salary altogether. So first of all, the first company that I joined was HCL Technologies. Okay, in 2011 December. My joining salary was somewhere around 3.25 lakhs. Okay, so all the figures over here are in lakhs INR. Okay, not in USD, so it is an INR. So initially my salary was 3.25 lakhs, and then when I left this job in HCL Technology, it was 3.25. The number of years that I worked is 2 years. Then you may be thinking, Krish, what about the hike? Did you not get any hike? Yes, I got hike. It was monthly 200 rupees. Okay, so no use, so I have written just 3.25. okay, so how many years I have actually put over here? I'll not say that it was wasted. I learned some of the things related to IT. Okay, so here I had actually devoted around 2 years. Then my second company that I went into is Sapient. Probably going to Sapient is my the U-turn in my career. It really rocketed up. I learned so many things in Sapient. I still am amazed with the work that I did in Sapient, and here you can see that how much years I spent. It was somewhere around 3.5 years. So my joining salary was somewhere around 5.5 lakh rupees INR, and in 3.5 years my salary increased to 11 lakhs rupees INR per year per annum. So in hand, now you may be thinking, what was the in hand also? So let's start with HCL Technology. So I'm just going to make one more column over here. In hand while I was joining, right? So over here you can see it was 3.25, right? So in hand I used to get somewhere around 22k rupees INR. Okay, then in Sapient when I joined in 5.5, again in hand was somewhere around 39k. It is very less guys, because they have a lot of components. So always remember, this joining is basically CTC that I had actually joined. Okay, and CTC is completely different with respect to in hand. There are many components that gets added. So don't get just happy when you see a huge CTC. Okay, always try to ask all the components how much money you are going to get in hand, and always you need to focus that you get more money in your hand. Okay, so initially I used to get very much happy when I used to hear this CTC, because I just used to divide by 12. When we divide by 12, we used to get a huge amount of money, but right now, trust me, it is not happening, right? So here you can see how much less money you have. Then here I spent 3.5 years. I got a lot of opportunities. I went for an on-site travel. I earned some amount of money. It was good. One very important thing that I did from Sapient is that I also started getting some kind of passive income. I was also earning some amount of money from outside. Okay, so 39k INR plus some money that I used to get for doing some of the freelancing work. So freelancing work, when I used to do somewhere around 20k per month, I used to get. So overall, if I talk about 59k, 59 to 60k was my in hand money when I joined Sapient in the initial time. So after working for some 2 to 3 years over there, I was also getting 11 lakh rupees INR. So my salary increased to a good amount of money at that point of time, and I was able to earn somewhere around 80 to 90k per month. Okay, with some additional work, freelancing. Then again, you are in freelancing, you really need to devote some amount of work. Okay, now I'll just remove this because I don't want to put that specific information. Then my next amazing company was Honeywell. In Honeywell, I joined the company with 15 lakhs rupees INR as CTC. Okay, I left at 15 lakhs rupees INR and I spent over there around 1 year. Okay, 1 year. And why did I leave Honeywell? Because Honeywell is also an amazing company because of the organizational changes. Because of the organizational changes, I was going to get put into another team where there was not that much work related to data science. So I thought, why not? Let's move on. And over there, what I did is that the next switch that I made was in ENY. Remember, till Honeywell, I was somewhere around 6.5 years of experience. In Sapient, I was somewhere around 5.5. I spent 1 more year, then I am totally 6.5 years. Now, probably then I went to ENY. ENY, I got a good offer of 18 lakhs rupees INR. Now, see guys, still probably when I went to ENY, then I started getting 1 lakh rupees INR in hand, salary wise. Okay, till here. So I have to wait around 6.5 years experience. Then when I went to ENY, then I started getting at least more than 1 lakh rupees INR. How much time I spent over here? 4 months. Why? Because I got an amazing opportunity from Panasonic. And here I've actually written 32 lakh rupees CTC. Okay. So here it was pretty much good, just in a span of 4 months. Because many people ask me, Krish, why did you leave ENY in 4 months? ENY is also a very good company related to data science. You get a lot of work. But if you are getting this kind of opportunity, why not? Right? It is somewhere around 80 to 90% when you have 7 years experience. So why not take this particular opportunity? In Panasonic, I spent around 1.8 years. Good work, good amazing work, good amazing analytics work, and I was able to learn so many things over there too, and yes, it was a pretty much amazing experience. And after that, I've joined iNeuron and I'm working in iNeuron itself, which I cannot share it right now because it's the current job. But here, till the Panasonic, I think I've shared all the information. And this Panasonic, when I was somewhere around, after 7 years experience, I jumped into Panasonic. Okay. And then you will be able to see that I got a package of 32 lakhs. Okay. So I'm just going to mark it in some other color. Yeah. So 32 lakhs. Now 32 lakhs is a very good salary. But again, in hand, it is completely different. And then I worked over there for 1.8 years. Did I get any hike? No, because of the COVID situation, there was no hike in the cycle. So till here, I had actually spent around in the same salary, and then I was till 1.8 years, and then I joined iNeuron, and I was able to work properly. Now, one thing that you can always see, guys, this you always need to keep things in your mind. Based on years of experience, you always see that my salary was always greater than 2 times. At least 2 times of the market. So suppose if I say 5.5, okay, if my years of experience, when I joined Sapient, it was 2 years of experience, right? So I was getting 5.5. So if I do multiply by 2, it is at least greater than 4 lakhs. When my experience was 5.5, I was getting 15 lakhs when I switched into Honeywell. So it is at least greater than 2, right? I always made sure that it'll be greater than 2. And it should be somewhere between 2.5 to 3. That basically means you are above the market. Okay. So this is what was my starting of the CTCs along with my enhanced salary. I'll also write in probably in Sapient I was getting 3.39. In Honeywell, I think I was getting in hand somewhere around 85k, I guess. 85k. In ENY, I told you it was more than 100k, greater than 100k rupees INR. Okay. And in Panasonic, I was somewhere getting around 130k INR, greater than 130k INR. So it was something like this. Okay. Now you can see it took me around 6.5 years to get into 6 digits. It's not 5, sorry, 6 digits. Okay, 6 digits. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, 6 digits, yeah. And then you'll be able to see that this was how my growth was. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video, and yes, please make sure that you subscribe the channel. This is just to give you my experience, guys. Always make sure that with respect to the salary standard, your salary should be at least greater than 2 times of that of a market. So yes, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel, guys. This is probably the first video where you'll be seeing that I've discussed everything about myself, right? So yes, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one all. Bye bye.